Hello everyone, my name is Tuna Cuma and this is my Physics 101 lab project. The aim of my experiment is to calculate the average velocity of an object that is moving vertically using the change of the weight of an object with constant amount of mass that is moving on that object. An elevator will be used as a vertical moving object. In an elevator that is going upwards, an object in the cabin that is expected to weight more and after a while weight less when the elevator is accelerating again. We can use the change of weight to understand how is this elevator accelerating. Therefore, we can measure its velocity. My equipments for this experiment are a precision balance, a slow motion camera, a scientific calculator, a chronometer, an elevator, and an object. For a slow motion camera, calculator, and chronometer, I used my phone. For measurements, I set up my camera in our elevator that is recording the precision balance which have the object on it. In an article by Martín Monteiro and Arturo Martí, they measure vertical velocities using pressure sensor and accelerometer. After that, they compare these measurements. After reading that article, I thought about measuring vertical velocity using accelerometer. But to make it more challenging, I decided to calculate acceleration change by myself instead of using an accelerometer. I wrote down the values of my first table by multiplying them with gravitational acceleration. Because my digital precision balance measures mass by measuring the weight and dividing that weight by gravitational acceleration. For example, if I put 1 kilogram on top of my precision balance, it measures the force as 9.8 Newton and divides it by 9.8, which is the gravitational acceleration. After having all those weight change data, now I am able to calculate instantaneous acceleration for every line of data I measured by the second law of Newton. By doing the Riemann sum to my acceleration data, with as same time intervals as the intervals between the lines, which is 0.367 seconds, I can calculate the instantaneous velocity for every line of data I have. Looking at the result of this data I can see that my elevator travels at a velocity of 1.308 meters per second. According to the information on the elevator is actually traveling 1 meter per second. That means that I'm 30.8% off. The major reason of this error is that my precision balance is updating too slowly for my experiment. By doing the Riemann sum to my velocity data, just like my acceleration data, I can calculate the displacement of the elevator. For this experiment, the elevator I used went up for 3 floors. And according to my data, the elevator displaced approximately around 11.2 meters. Therefore, a floor in my apartment is approximately 3.73 meters. This is basically how I calculated the height of a floor in my apartment, used this precision balance and this cup with mustache. Thank you for watching.